If you're not making money online in 2025, you're missing out on the biggest wealth shift of our generation. Right now, there are more ways than ever to build a life-changing income from your laptop. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. These are real strategies that ordinary people are using to quit their jobs and live on their own terms. The barrier to entry? Lower than ever. No degree, no big investment, just Wi-Fi and the will to learn. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the exact blueprint for 5 powerful, up-to-date online income methods set to explode in 2025. We're talking AI freelancing, digital products, next-gen dropshipping, faceless YouTube, and viral affiliate marketing. Grab a notebook. What you're about to learn could change your financial future. First up, AI-powered freelancing. This is a game changer, a paradigm shift in how we approach earning online. We're not just talking about automating tasks, we're talking about leveraging artificial intelligence to amplify your skills and create opportunities that were previously unimaginable. This is the fastest way for beginners, even with zero prior experience, to jump into the world of online income. It levels the playing field, giving newcomers the tools they need to compete and succeed. To make their first $100, a tangible milestone that proves the potential of this approach. It's about breaking that initial barrier and gaining the confidence to pursue bigger goals. $500, a significant step up, demonstrating consistent effort and a growing understanding of the market. This is where you start to see the real possibilities unfold, or even $1,000 online. This is the point where freelancing starts to feel like a viable career path, a source of real income that can make a difference in your life. Imagine, a client needs perhaps a small business owner looking to boost their online presence. Blog ideas, content that will attract new customers and establish their brand as an authority. Social captions, engaging posts that will capture attention and drive interaction on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. And a video script, a compelling narrative that will bring their brand to life on YouTube or TikTok. With AI like ChatGPT, you can generate all of these elements with incredible speed and efficiency. You deliver all of it, a complete package of content that meets the client's needs perfectly, in under 30 minutes. This is the power of AI-powered freelancing, doing more in less time. Your job? Master prompting. Learn how to ask the right questions to get the best results from these AI tools. You're the director, guiding the AI and shaping its output to meet your client's specific requirements. AI is your crew. It's the team that helps you execute your vision and deliver exceptional results. Guide it, refine, polish the AI-generated content to ensure it aligns with your client's brand and voice. Add your touch, inject your creativity and expertise to elevate the final product and deliver pro results. High-quality work that exceeds expectations and leaves your clients delighted. Go to Upwork, a leading platform connecting freelancers with clients from around the world, or Fiverr, another popular marketplace where you can offer your AI-powered services. Create a profile, showcasing your skills and expertise in the realm of AI-assisted content creation, and offer services AI can help with, services that are in high demand and can be delivered quickly and efficiently. SEO blogs optimized for search engines to drive traffic and improve online visibility. Viral social posts, content designed to capture attention and spread rapidly across social media platforms. Logo design, eye-catching visuals that represent a brand's identity and values. Don't sell the AI, don't focus on the technology itself, sell the outcome. Focus on the benefits your clients will receive. Clients want results, they want solutions to their problems, not your process. They care about what you can deliver, not how you do it. Start by charging $50, $100 per package. This is a great starting point to attract clients and build your reputation. As you rack up reviews, positive feedback from satisfied clients will boost your credibility and attract even more business. Scale up, increase your prices and take on more complex projects as your skills and experience grow. Some freelancers hit $5K, $10K/month, a testament to the earning potential of AI-powered freelancing. With this, it's a real opportunity to build a thriving online business. Tools? What do you need to get started? A freelance platform account, a place to connect with clients and showcase your services. ChatGPT-4 for text, the leading AI language model for generating high-quality written content. Midjourney or DALL-E for design. Powerful AI tools for creating stunning visuals. That's your startup cost. Minimal investment for maximum potential. Pro tip: niche down. Focus on a specific area of expertise. Be a social media manager for coffee shops, become the go-to expert for a specific industry, not just a writer. Specialization is key to standing out from the crowd. Specialists charge more, because they offer unique value and expertise. For design, use Midjourney, a powerful AI tool that can generate stunning visuals in minutes. To generate 10 logo concepts in minutes, providing your clients with a wide range of options to choose from. Tweak the best in Canva, refine the chosen concept and add your personal touch, and deliver. Provide your client with a professional, high-quality logo that meets their needs perfectly. The more efficient you are, the more projects you can complete in a given time frame. The more clients you can serve. This translates directly into higher earnings. Your income is tied, directly linked to your ability to deliver value quickly and effectively, to your speed and quality. Strive for both efficiency and excellence in everything you do. Action plan. Let's break down the steps you need to take to get started. Pick a niche, identify a specific area where you can excel. Sign up for Fiverr, create your profile, and start offering your AI-powered services. Master your AI tools, become proficient in using ChatGPT and Midjourney to create high-quality content. Deliver great work, consistently exceed your clients' expectations, and collect 5-star reviews. Build a strong reputation and attract more clients. This is real. This is not just a theoretical concept, and it's happening right now. People are already making a living using AI-powered freelancing. Don't miss out. Take action today and start building your own AI-powered freelancing business. Let's explore another avenue for generating income: selling digital products. This method offers a unique blend of creativity and scalability, allowing you to leverage your skills and knowledge in a way that traditional jobs simply can't match. The beauty of digital products lies in their replicability. Create once, and you can get paid over and over again without the need to constantly produce new physical items. It's about crafting something valuable one time and then distributing it to a wide audience. It's the ultimate passive income stream. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or focus on other projects. That's the power of digital products. Digital products are anything downloadable. Notion templates offering pre-designed structures for organization and productivity, ebooks, sharing your knowledge and stories with the world, Lightroom presets, enhancing photos with professional editing styles, mini courses, providing focused learning experiences on specific topics. No inventory to manage, no shipping logistics to worry about, just pure profit after platform fees. This streamlined process allows you to focus on creating and marketing your products. The key is to find a problem for a specific group: students needing organization tools to manage their studies, or business owners needing content calendars to streamline their social media marketing. Once you've identified a need, create a digital solution: a Notion template to boost productivity, a 365-day content calendar to simplify social media planning, or a quick start guide to help people learn a new skill. Sell your creations on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Set up a compelling product and sales page that highlights the value you're offering. The best part? You can often set everything up in under an hour. These platforms handle the complexities of payments and automatic digital delivery. Let's talk numbers. A $10 template selling just 5 times a day quickly adds up to $1,500/month. And a $50 ebook selling just once a day has the potential to replace a full-time income. Top creators are making tens of thousands monthly, showcasing the immense potential of this model. What tools do you need? Google Docs or Canva are excellent for creating ebooks. Notion is perfect for designing and sharing templates, and your phone can be used to record engaging course videos. The key is to focus on providing value, not getting caught up in fancy software or expensive equipment. Start small. Validate your idea by creating a simple $1 checklist or template to gauge interest. Share your product in relevant online communities, get valuable feedback from your target audience, and iterate on your product based on their suggestions. Once you have a winner, a product that resonates with your audience, build a system around it, bundle related products together to increase the average order value, start an email list to nurture your audience and promote new products, run targeted ads to reach a wider audience, and scale up your business by expanding your product line and marketing efforts. Here's your action plan. Begin by brainstorming problems that you can solve with your skills and knowledge, then create a simple minimum viable product, MVP, to test your idea. Set up a store on a platform like Gumroad or Etsy, share your product with your existing audience, refine your product based on feedback, and scale your business as demand grows. Remember, your knowledge is your biggest asset. So turn it into a 24/7 money machine by creating and selling valuable digital products. Alright, let's shift gears and explore another exciting avenue for online income: selling physical products. The beauty of this method? You can do it without ever touching inventory. That's right, no need to rent a warehouse or fill your garage with boxes. Welcome to the world of AI-powered print on demand, a game changer for creatives and entrepreneurs alike. And let's not forget dropshipping, a powerful partner in this e-commerce revolution. Let's break down print on demand. You design t-shirts, pouring your creativity into unique graphics and slogans. Or perhaps you're more into mugs, designing the perfect vessel for that morning coffee. Or maybe phone cases are your canvas, turning everyday tech into personalized statements. Now here's where the magic happens. When someone buys your creation, a third-party printing partner takes over, handling the printing and shipping directly to the customer. You don't lift a finger. Now, let's switch gears to dropshipping. You sell products sourced from a supplier, curating a collection for your online store. And the best part? Again, no inventory needed. The supplier handles storage and shipping. But here's the 2025 twist that takes both print on demand and dropshipping to the next level: AI-generated designs. Harness the power of AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to create unique viral designs that capture attention and drive sales. And the best part? You can generate these designs in minutes, not hours. Your job as the entrepreneur is to spot trends as they emerge. Use AI to create eye-catching designs based on those trends and market them fast to capitalize on the moment. See a meme or trend exploding online? You can launch a product in as little as an hour, riding the wave of popularity. The process is streamlined. Set up a Shopify store, your digital storefront. Connect it to a print-on-demand service like Printify or Printful, both excellent platforms for integrating with your store. Upload your AI-generated designs to the platform, showcasing them on various products. Set your prices to ensure a healthy profit margin, and then, go live and start selling. Once an order comes in, the entire fulfillment process is automated, freeing you from logistical headaches. You keep the profit margin, the difference between your selling price and the base cost of the product. For example, if you sell a $30 shirt and the base cost, including printing and materials, is $15, you pocket a cool $15 in profit. The income potential with this model is truly exciting. It can range from a few $100s a month as a side hustle, all the way to 7 figures for those who scale their business effectively. Your success depends heavily on your chosen niche and your marketing efforts. Remember, niche down to find your ideal customer base. For example, target corgi lovers with corgi-themed designs rather than simply targeting dog lovers, which is far too broad. Specific audiences are much easier to reach with targeted advertising and ultimately to convert into paying customers. So what tools do you need to get started? At a minimum, you'll need Shopify for your store, Printify or Printful for fulfillment, and Midjourney or a similar AI tool for design generation. It's also crucial to invest time in thorough market research and allocate a small ad budget to test your designs and marketing strategies. A/B testing different designs and ad copy is key to optimizing your campaigns. Let's outline a simple action plan to get you started. First, pick a niche that excites you and has potential demand. Next, use AI to generate 10-20 different designs within that niche. Then, set up your Shopify store, making it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Upload your product designs to Printify or Printful and sync them with your store. Finally, launch targeted marketing campaigns to reach your specific audience and drive traffic to your store. This is how you build a real thriving brand in 2025, leveraging the power of AI and automation. It's fast, lean, and largely automated, allowing you to focus on creativity and marketing. Want YouTube income without being on camera? Welcome to YouTube Automation. Faceless channels using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and smart editing. Think top 10 lists, documentaries, meditation guides. Many big channels never show a face. Monetize with YouTube ads. But the real money is in affiliate links and sponsorships. Example, a top 5 laptops video with affiliate links earns commissions on every sale. The process: script with AI, voiceover with 11 Labs or Fiverr, edit with stock footage, create a killer thumbnail in Canva. Systemize it, create templates, batch content, or hire freelancers for each step. It takes time to get monetized, 1,000 subs, 4,000 watch hours. But once you do, income can range from $2K to $100K plus per month. Tools: DaVinci, Resolve for editing, Storyblocks, Pexels for footage, Canva for thumbnails, AI voice generator. Niche selection is everything. Don't go broad. Ancient Rome facts beats random facts. Use TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find high search, low competition topics. Focus on evergreen content. Videos that get views for years, not just days. Action plan, research a niche, plan 10-20 video ideas, create a workflow, publish weekly, and build a media asset that pays for years. Last up, affiliate marketing with micro-content on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Lowest barrier, fastest results. Promote other people's products with your unique link. Earn a commission on every sale. No product creation, no shipping, just pure marketing. The secret short viral videos. A 15-second TikTok can reach millions and generate thousands in commissions overnight. Example, find a digital product, join its affiliate program, make a quick video showing how it solves a problem and drop your link in your bio. Always provide value, entertain, educate, or solve a problem before pitching. Top micro-content affiliates make tens of thousands monthly. Promote multiple products for multiple income streams. Tools, just your smartphone, edit in-app or use CapCut for pro touches. Focus on a niche, fitness, tech, cooking. Build trust, boost conversions. Digital products pay higher commissions than Amazon gadgets. Look for 30-50% payouts on ClickBank, Digester24, or creators' sites. Action plan. Pick a niche, find 2-3 affiliate products, post 1-3 short videos daily, double down on what works, and engage your audience. This is the fastest growing online opportunity. Jump in now. There you have it, a glimpse into the possibilities that await. 5 real ways to make money online, legitimately and effectively, in 2025. No more excuses holding you back. Most of these require little to no money to start. Pick the method that excites you most, truly resonates with you, and focus on it for the next 90 days. Take action every day and you will see results. The internet is the great equalizer. 2025 could be your breakthrough year. Subscribe for more deep dives and don't forget to comment on the 5 methods for a chance at $1,000. Now stop watching. Start building your future. I believe in you.